Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Minecraft Bedrock Realms. It's important to understand that these methods often leverage specific game behaviors. While some techniques might be effective, their reliability can vary significantly depending on the game version and server conditions. Before trying any of these, always ensure you have a backup of your world. This precaution helps protect your progress and creations in case something unexpected occurs during the process. One common approach involves using a chest or shulker box. First, place the items you wish to duplicate into the storage container. Immediately after placing them, quickly exit the game or force a disconnect from the realm. The goal is to exit before the server fully saves your inventory changes. Upon rejoining, check both your inventory and the chest. With precise timing, the items might appear in both locations, effectively duplicating them. Another technique often discussed involves the end portal. Begin by gathering the items you want to duplicate and stand very close to an active end portal. Drop all the items directly into the portal's void. The critical step is to immediately close your game application, without saving, right after the items enter the portal. When you relaunch Minecraft and rejoin your realm, there's a chance the items will have duplicated, appearing both in your inventory and within the end dimension. It's crucial to remember that item duplication methods are often inconsistent. Their success rate can vary greatly, and they are not guaranteed to work every time. Furthermore, game developers frequently release updates that specifically address and remove these unintended behaviors. Therefore, a method that works today might not work tomorrow. Always practice with less valuable items, first to get a feel for the precise timing and steps involved before attempting with your most precious resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.